welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a haul and a small project Happymail that I'm going to be sending out to a sweet friend for her birthday. So I'm going to share the haul first. I popped to the range. I needed to pick up some more glue. So yeah, I picked up some other bits while I'm in there. I saw this. It's cotton wool. It's $2.99. I'm just trying to look. Oh, so you get 109 yards on it. Yeah, for $2.99. I thought it was quite good. I've got a project in mind. If it works out, I'll be back to share that with you guys. So they had loads of different colours, but I just picked up 3 in the grey because I think I'm going to need more. Well, I will need more of the grey for this project because I want that to be the main colour. And then I got one in this like mint. I'm going to go mint green. I don't think it has a... They haven't called it anything. No. Oh, they've called it sage. They have called it sage. And that one's grey. I'd say it's more of a mint green, to be honest. But yeah, so they're $2.99. Like I said, I've got a project in mind for these, so I will be back. If it turns out okay, then I'll be back to share what it looks like and that. So I picked up those. I then found these. I got a couple of packs of these, but they are the same. Transparent stickers. These I think are unicorn. Don't think I had these ones before. So they're like all different types of unicorns. I think you've got some rainbows in there. And I think they are, oh, that's a cute one. You got this one bow, got some hearts. I think they are all different. Got like a heart lollipop there, the clouds. Yeah, really pretty. You get, what's it say on there, 18 in a pack. So I've got a couple of packs of those, and they were only, it says £1 on there, but when I got to the till they were 38p. So I may go back and get some more because I thought they were quite nice to put in pocket letters and things like that, and to give out in Happymail. So I got those. Then found this and I thought this was so cool, so I'm going to put this on my keys. It's a lemon, and then it's got this nice wide strap. So I thought that'd be nice for my keys. They had different ones, all in like a summer kind of theme. This was $1.49. You could add these to projects as well if you wanted to. I mean, you could use these in separate pieces. You could just add that to a project and use that on something else. And you can always add to it as well if you wanted more dangles on there. And then the last couple of bits is not crafty related at all, to be honest. I went to their travel section for our holiday, and I wanted something for my little one to store his toiletries in. So I found this toiletry bag. This was $4.99, but I'm sure they were on offer. That wasn't what I paid for it. Yeah, so I thought that's quite nice, clear toiletry bag. So I got that one, and then I saw these packing cubes. You get 4 in a pack, and I thought these were quite nice because I do use these when we go on holiday as well. I just find it easier when you get to the hotel. You can kind of leave they're closing these, and yeah, just put them in the hotel like in these. These say $6.99, but again these were on offer. Yeah, and they're handy when you come back to chuck all like their swimwear and things like that back in these, and all like keep the clean clothes from the dirty clothes kind of thing. So the next thing is my little bit of Happy Mail I'm going to be sending out for a sweet friend's birthday. I won't say who it's for because I may upload this before she's received it, or yeah, I won't know. Obviously this is when this is going to be sent out. So I previously hauled this from the range, and it's a bookmark. It's that diamond dots bookmark, and I just added a tassel, added some beads that lovely Kim Kelly sent me on there, and then just done the, like I said, it came all with this in the kit. So that's the bookmark. Then thought I'd send that out, and then made an ATC, because this is going abroad, so I can't do too much. This is a bit stuck, this ATC, so I wanted to keep it quite light, the package, if that makes sense, because obviously post is ridiculous at the moment to send things out. It's a bit snug, the bag topper that I've made for it, but this is the ATC. I used the collection that I hauled previously, summer collection from the range. This sticker I had in my stash, and I'm sure I received that in Happymail many years ago. Yes, I thought I'd use that on there, the banner, some flat back pearls that the lovely Lisa sent me. This camera is a sticker I picked up from the range, and then obviously I've written on the back. This is a card I made. It's really cute, it says best wishes, flat back pearl, and these are all individually sort of pieced together. I think this frame was a panda haul. I'll leave the links to this if I can find it. This panda haul die. So that's the card, and then this last thing is a project that Alyssa posted. It's a mini folder wallet, I think she's called it. I will leave the link to her channel down below. Please go and check out her channel. She does some amazing tutorials on there of different ways of sending out like little flat Happy Mails. So yeah, she posted this I think recently, and I saw it and I knew I wanted to make one straight away. It's just perfect to sending out a little bit of Happy Mail. Like I said, it's quite nice and flat, and obviously if you're sending things far away, it's not going to cost so much. So I used one of the cut parts from that same summer collection, a bow. I think the lovely Lisa sent me this bow as well. Used some shaker sequins for the shaker, twine. I've used twine to hold it closed, and then I've used some of those beads as well that the lovely Kim Kelly sent me. So you just unwind it, the twine, and then it folds open like this. I've put so there's a pocket here. I've just put a tag in here. The lovely Christine sent me this tag in some Happy Mail. I've just added various bits to it. Again, this is all from that summer collection, and then in here there's like 4 little pockets, so they open like this. Obviously who I'm sending it to can take this all apart and use it how they want to use it. There's a tag in this pocket, and like I said, Alyssa will show you how to put this all. She does like a step-by-step tutorial showing how you can put it all together, and it's really easy to follow. And then in the back pocket I just put some bag toppers in there, and then in this one I've made another tag, and then in that back pocket I've just put a little die to send out. So yeah, I think that turned out really cute, and I can't wait to make some more actually. So like I said, please go and check out the links that I've listed in the description down below. And thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you for all the lovely comments I've been receiving on my videos. Yeah, I really do appreciate it. I'm going to try and do some little giveaways here and there in my videos. So I won't put it in the description, if that makes sense, so check out for those. I will do like a hidden giveaway. I think that's quite nice. It's quite nice to give back to people that are watching my videos and commenting and things like that. So I will be sharing some giveaways kind of hidden within my videos. I just think that's quite a nice way to send out some bits to my crafty friends. Yeah. And that's it guys. I hope you all have an awesome week, and I will catch you in my next one. Take care. Bye.